When we look closer at reality, do we see motion or position, but never both at once? In 1927, Heisenberg wrote it down, the uncertainty principle. Wavewalker knows the exact position of element, but he doesn't know its speed. That's the beauty of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Even Wavewalker can't know both speed and position at once. Wave narrows to pinpoint position, yet momentum spreads wide. That's uncertainty at work. And it's not abstract. MRI scans save lives. A GPS satellite works by carrying atomic clocks telling us our exact position. Quantum computers built on uncertainty can unlock tomorrow. From the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, uncertainty is the rhythm of reality.